back to my channel. If it's your first time here, you're welcome, and if you're returning, you're welcome as well. So today I decided to show you guys my everyday makeup routine. And I don't wear makeup every day, but then on days when I want to look glam but I don't want to do too much, this is normally the look I would go for. This look was really easy to create and I didn't do too much. I didn't use too many products. If you'd like to see how I got this look, keep watching. Make sure you like, share and subscribe, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this look. Let me know what other videos you'd like to see, and let's get right into this video. So I'm just going to start off by moisturizing my face, and I'll be using this CC Glam rose water for this. I'm just going to spray this on my face. I have oily skin, but then moisturizing is really important, so you always want to make sure that you moisturize your skin. And I'm doing this on a clean base because I just showered. Next thing I'm going to do is to prime my face, and I'll be using this RLG Cosmetics mattifying primer. I really like this primer because it gives me a very smooth base to apply my skin products on, and it doesn't really do anything when it comes to mattifying, but then it's really good for a smooth base, which is really important. And yeah, and I'll be using the Fenty Beauty foundation in shade 440. This has been my favorite foundation ever since I started using it. The thing with makeup is that a natural beat doesn't necessarily mean you're using just few products. It actually means you're not applying eyeshadow. Honestly, most people that say, oh, I did a natural beat blah blah blah, it's mostly just a full face of makeup without eyeshadow. Normally the amount of foundation that I applied on this half of my face is normally what I'll apply on just one side or like a little part, but then I realized that I didn't need that much foundation because yeah. The brush I'm using for this is the Real Techniques buffer brush. Real Techniques has some amazing brushes and they're really affordable. So yeah, most people start makeup with this, but honestly it was when I had gone a bit far in makeup that I finally got my hands on these brushes, and honestly I love this brush especially because I can use it for foundation, I can use it for anything basically. Yeah. And another good brush from Real Techniques that I've seen or rather heard of is the Expert Face brush. I haven't used that one before, but then I know Dimaomi loves that brush and she talks about it a lot, so I also want to get my hands on that brush and try it out. So now that I've blended my foundation in, the next step is to highlight my face, and I'll be using my LA Girl Pro concealer for this. I feel like everybody uses this concealer and it comes true for me, honestly. I'm using the shade medium beige. I would normally use Toffee or Fawn, but then I've run out of those, so I'm just going to be using medium beige, and I'll be using very little of this because it's really light, and this is like 5 shades lighter than me, but then if I use little it's going to work for me. Nobody shine, say they keep it glowing. And I'm going to be using this Sigma 3D Beauty Blender. There's actually one step I forgot to do, and that's color correcting, but I'll normally do that when I'm going for like a full beat, a very full coverage beat. And yeah, and even with this, the Fenty Beauty foundation really covers all my blemishes or whatever. You guys, summer is coming. Let me know what videos you guys would like to see from me. Yeah, I just dabbed in my foundation and I went over this highlight because I just wanted to tone it down a bit, and as you guys can see, this really blended properly. It didn't look as light as it would if I had applied the normal amount I normally do with my regular highlighting shades. Now that this is all blended in, for my everyday makeup, I do not bake my face. I don't bake my face at all. I use a face powder to just set under my eyes and the parts I would highlight. To do this, I'll be using my Real Techniques setting brush. I'm going to be using my Afro Glam Cosmetics powder. This is what it looks like, and I'll be using it in the shade Walnut. I'm just going to use this to blend the parts I've set, because if I leave it like this, I already look so ashy. Because with this everyday look, I'm not really trying to brighten my face or do any of that. I'm just trying to get my true complexion and know that I have makeup on and look glam. To contour my face, I'll be using the Barrett's high definition powder. This is what it looks like. This is one of the darkest shades, and this isn't even the darkest shade they have, guys. They have like 2 more shades after this, so no matter how dark you think you are, they have a shade for you. So next step will be to line my eyes, and I'll be using the Zaron Longwear eyeliner. And I wouldn't be doing an extra wing today. I'll just be doing something simple. At this point, if you like, you can apply like one color eyeshadow or whatever, but then I just don't. Most times I don't even line my eyes. I just put on my lashes and I go. And if I'm doing makeup, even if it's a light makeup, I always have to apply lashes. Say they keep me slowly. You keep me slowly. You keep me slowly. You keep me slowly. Now that I have that out of the way, I'm just going to be applying mascara, and I'll be using the Barrett's mascara. That's what it looks like, just to prep my lashes before I apply my false lashes. So for my lashes today, I'm going to be using these wing lashes in the style Ariel. This is what they look like. I'm just going to be applying that. So now that I have my lashes on, honestly, when it comes to an everyday makeup, it doesn't matter. For me, rather, it doesn't matter how long my lashes are. They can be extremely long, but I don't care as far as my beat looks natural. But then for some people, they want their lashes to be natural too. But then I really love my lashes long and dramatic. So yeah. Now I'm just going to apply some mascara. For my highlight today, I'm going to be trying out this new Sigma highlighter. This is what it looks like. Brilliant shimmer cream. And I'll be applying that with my Sigma F03 brush. This is the first time I'm trying it out, so it is new. I don't know what it's going to be like. So it's not putting, there's nothing. Okay, let me try it and use my hand. It's actually like a cream. It looks pretty, but it's coming out a bit ashy on me, so I think this would be perfect for anyone that is lighter than I am. Yeah. This I feel like I shouldn't have used anything new. Anyway, to set this, because this is a cream highlighter, to set it, I'm going to be using my RLG Cosmetics glow powder, and this is just a highlighter. I'm going to be using the shade Lucy. This is in the shade Lucy. Shout out to you, Lucy, if you're watching. After I have put loads of powder and everything on my face, I just want this to blend and come together. I'm going to be using the Slay All Day setting spray by RLG Cosmetics. This is my favorite, even though like I've only tried 2. This is the jasmine one, and it smells, it doesn't smell so good, but then it feels so good. Yeah, kind kind of has this minty feel to it. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah. I know a lot of people aren't really into blushes, but then I am. I love blushes so much. And my favorite blush is Zaron blush in Mud Fest, but then I ran out of that one and I couldn't get it. I tried everything I could to get it, but then I couldn't get it. So this is another favorite of mine. This is the Sleek blush. It's in the shade Flushed, and as you guys can see, I've hit pan on this. Who hits pan on their blush? I know I did. I'm just going to let this sit on my face before I apply my blush and dry down. For my lips, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. lip gloss. This is what it looks like. So yeah, this is just the finished look. I'm just going to go ahead and do my hair and I'll be back. So guys, I've come to the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. As you guys saw, this look was really easy to create. I didn't do too much. I didn't do anything on my eyes. So I love how this look turned out to be. I don't do makeup every day when I'm going out, but then on days when I want to look glam and I don't want to do too much, this is what I would normally do. This hair that I have on right now is from Ali Clay hair. I have it 3 bundles of their Malaysian straight, 2 26 inches and 1 24 inches, and then a 20-inch frontal. So yeah, this hair is really amazing. I love the texture of this hair. It is really long. I wish I could show you guys, but then I'll take a picture. Just follow me on Instagram and I'll take a picture to show how long this hair is. And this video is not sponsored, but then I've worked with them before, so I just thought to share this video with you guys and tell you guys about this hair. I'm going to leave all the links and the information about this hair in the description. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and share with your friends. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this look, and let me know what other videos you'd like to see, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Take it slowly, take it slowly, take it slowly, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm back with the vibe, say they keep me slowly. Take it to the side, then we can keep it rolling. Nobody feel kill your shine, say they keep it glowing.